What it do, baby?
21 immortal, we'll never die. Loyal to my brother.
Welcome back, YouTube and YouTube subscribers. It's Goofy here, and we have another pretty dope ass unboxing for you guys. So before we get on into it, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. This is going to be a pretty dope video. Without further ado, let's get on into the video.
How many talks you done got popped? Whole bunch. How many times you ran from the smoke? Nigga, not one.
All right, guys, and we are back. It's been quite a while. I've waited. I've done my research on this shoe, and I've wanted it for quite a bit. If you guys know me, I'm a huge fan of the basketball players that I like, their first signature shoe. If you've been following me on my channel of journey of unboxing these sneakers and stuff like that, you know that I have like the John Wall ones, the Damian Lillard ones, the Kyrie ones, PG ones, Westbrook ones. Like, you know, I'm just into that first shoe. So this is another person's first shoe. A little different, something different on the brand. I have bought this brand before. Before we get onto that, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, check out my Facebook group. It's called All Shoes for Sale, and I will put a link to that down below. But it's a really cool group because there's tons of sneakers that are for sale. So if you're looking for good deals and stuff like that, you can buy locally, you can have it shipped to you and all that good stuff. Also too, it's really dope because I also do giveaways there as well. So not only can you take advantage of the giveaways on here, you can go there and take advantage of the giveaways there as well. And I will link the Facebook group in the comments or in the details down below. Let's just get on into the unboxing. It finally arrived. So what happened, there's always a story when I order some shoes, right? I got the notification that they were releasing and they were coming available. So I went onto the New Balance website. The men's size, I was able to get a 10.5, my size, but as soon as I got it in my cart and tried to check out, it would not let me check out. So I panicked a little bit, and then I tried to go back and order from the men's, and all the men's were sold out up to like a size 15, and not gonna get a size 15. So I went back and I went into the women's section, and I just looked at the size chart to see like what a men's 10.5 would be in a women's size. And crazy enough, in the women's shoes, like in the women's shoe size, I had it like all the way up to like a size 14 in men, if I'm correct, something crazy. So I was like, well, then I might as well just buy the shoe in a women's shoe, but in my size. So same exact shoe, nothing looks different at all. It's just literally a women's. You know what, there is a difference. The women's, the only thing I saw was you can either get, you couldn't get the wide version. You could only get the, I'm just gonna say standard version, but there was a wide option on the men's. You could choose either wide or the standard version. That's just if you have wide feet or whatever. So I went with the standard one. I have purchased New Balance before. The ones I have are like, it was a collab. It was like Sneaker Politics collab. There's a video probably somewhere in my old catalog. I'm excited. This is my first time seeing this shoe in person. New Balance's first basketball shoe, so that's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited for it. I did want those blue ones that came out in like that Clippers colorway, but of course I didn't get it. Now, one thing I will say, I wish they would have done with this, well, this color. I mean, I don't think it is on all of them, but for this specific color, I really wish they would have put his name on it, like a Kawhi logo or just something, so it seems like you kind of have that Kawhi shoe. Because to me, if you look at this shoe, or if you look at how they promoted it, it seems more like it's just their basketball shoe. It doesn't seem like it's the Kawhi shoe, you know, his signature shoe. But they are calling it his signature shoe, so here is the box. The box is plain, it is ugly, it's regular, it's nothing fantastic, nothing special. It just has the New Balance logo on the top, on the front, as you can see there. This side, New Balance logo, and says New Balance. This side is the tag, how much it cost, all that good stuff. I'll let you see that. Hopefully it is focusing for you guys because I can't tell if it is. There's the tag. So let me read it to you. Size 12, which is a 10.5 in men's. And it just says basketball, and it just says, yeah, that's it. Let's take a look. I will let you guys get the first look before I do. So here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Says fearlessly independent since 1906 on the wrapping paper. Oh, these look pretty fire. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a heavy ass shoe. I tell you that though. It's really heavy. I really wish that these kind of had his like signature branding or just something, you know, on it. I think that would be really cool. This insole is really weird. Is that like a thing you can take out? It has to be. Okay, I was like, what? But here is the shoe. I don't know anything about the technology on it. I do know that it looks really dope. Like I said, I really wish I could have got that blue, like Clippers colorway. But inside, this is like a shoe tree. I'm not gonna snatch it. Oh, whatever. It just says we got now on it, but the tongue is really flimsy there. That's like a, I would say that's like a mesh, like a stretchy mesh material there, so that's pretty cool. I think if I'm saying this name right, it's called the OMN1S. I think that's how you say that. This part here, this midsole, they're calling it the fuel cell. It feels really soft, like really soft, so it seems like it would have some good bounce there. Traction pattern on the bottom looks really nice. It looked like it should glow or something, but I don't think they glow at all. But it does look really nice. The grip looks really nice. I'm gonna try these out on the court. This material is a mesh as well, so that's really nice because then your foot will just move with that. I will have a on foot look once I get on the court and get to try them on, if you guys want that. It looks really cool, you know, really different shoe. They are coming out with other colorways. They just released like an orange, kind of purple, I think orange, black, and like purple color. I didn't really like those too much, so I didn't go for it. But like I said, I really wish this one kind of just had like a Kawhi Leonard logo or something on the back, or just something, you know. There are some pairs that have released that have his logo and like have his name and stuff on them, but every pair of this shoe doesn't have Kawhi Leonard's like signature whatever on it. I think these are just New Balance's basketball shoe. If you've seen the New Balance, I'm just gonna call him the ambassador, that's probably not the right word for it, but Baisley from the Thunder, he went to the New Balance. That's pretty much how he got in the league, which is crazy, but he went to New Balance, and I think he either worked on the design of this shoe or he worked with designing shoes for basketball with New Balance, and he was like the first ever like athlete to pretty much go to the NBA from going to work for New Balance. So he didn't have to go to college, he didn't have to go to overseas and play basketball. He literally just got signed through New Balance because he was like their test animal for basketball shoes. So really cool, and you'll see him wear these a lot too. He's with them, so he'll wear these OMN1s, if that's how I'm saying that. But that's it, that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys liked it. I think it's a really dope shoe. I will have an on foot look once I can get on a court and show you guys. Dope shoe, I really like it. Seems like they're gonna be really comfortable. I just wonder how the women's size fits on the men. I don't think it's gonna be a difference. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also like this video if you liked it. And don't forget to check out the All Shoes for Sale group on Facebook. The giveaways are coming on YouTube. I'm just making sure I get everything correct and everything right. And yeah, so Scoofy here, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.
Had a threesome, then I flushed the rubber down the toilet. She tried to give me head, it was boring. Codeine, got a